Transition to a low-carbon economy is unfolding alongside other mega forces and represents a massive reallocation of capital as energy systems are rewired. We see three forces driving this economic transformation: technology, consumer and investor preferences, and government policies. These trends are reshaping production and consumption and spurring capital investment. First, technological innovation is reducing the cost of low-carbon technologies and processes, making them more competitive. The combination of oversupply and falling raw material prices is rapidly driving down the cost of clean energy technologies for solar and batteries from their 2022 highs, and are expected to drop well below 2020 levels in 2024. The average capital costs of clean energy technologies are expected to decline by another 15 to 20% by 2030. The second force is driven by changing consumer and investor preferences. In many regions, consumers and investors increasingly prefer lower carbon products and assets. For example, electric vehicles are expected to make up 35% of global passenger vehicle sales by 2030. And third is government policy. Broader energy, industrial, infrastructure and land use policies vary by region. Europe in particular is now doubling down on its efforts to transition to a low-carbon economy, as reflected in its recent recommended targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 90% by 2040. It is important to note that the pace of these accelerating forces will be impacted by sticking points, such as geopolitical concerns and permitting challenges. The bottom line is, we believe the low-carbon transition will have significant macroeconomic effects, and we're continuously evaluating the extent to which the risks and opportunities created by transition-related trends are reflected in markets. The balance between these driving forces and potential challenges will determine the speed and shape of the transition, with some sectors moving faster than others.